Hey there guys, in this video I want to talk about on how we can use NotebookLM for project management and what you can actually do with it and achieve with it. Okay, so my tips are these. So the first thing is that you can upload meeting minutes and status reports, so you can use it as searchable project history. So let's say you're gonna have from a meeting and you can upload it right here. When I'm going to add a source and project management, you can upload it right here, and then it's going to give you the points and you can use it as kind of for the search. Now another thing is that you can create a sub notebook, so check if past or proposed actions violate any standard operating procedures. So that's another thing that you can actually do. I can click here, for example, the import here, and that's another thing that you can have the reports based on your sources, or you can even mind map or even the flashcards. So also you can also run the PRDS through the critic feature, so it poses assumption, edge cases, and about thinking without needing a custom prompt. So it can summarize also tens documents. So when you're gonna have a lot of documents, you can literally upload it here and ask here, okay, where you can have reports, policy docs, or technical guides for quick actionable insights. So that's something that you can actually do. So you can also build timelines. So you can have even the infographics if you like here. So this is very good. Then not only you can have the data table here, but I can create an infographic, or I can have the slide deck. So that's another thing that you can actually do in project management. So what you can do, another thing is that if it's very important, you can create a podcast, an audio overview about the project management and what was actually happening. So that's another thing. Then another thing is that you can tackle documents pro, so we can create one notebook per project to consolidate scattered docs across teams. And you can drop in call transcripts. That's another thing, is that when you can upload here and you can look here, paste here, you know, from the call, and you can have request some kind of the feature about the audio overview about something about it. And then also we can dump the internal knowledge base. So let's say in Confluence wiki pages, so the team can query project into through the chat. And yeah, so that's kind of another thing that you can actually do and use. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.